I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to MotoAmerica at Laguna Seca for 2021. And today we are back. Finally, thank you MotoAmerica for allowing us to come out and do you guys a little fan walk. Now today we have the Junior Cup out on grid. I have a 2-minute walkthrough. We're gonna be able to get out there and say hello to some of the riders. So without further ado, Wagner's gonna sit tight, but I'm gonna actually walk up and we're gonna have a couple minutes just to walk through and say hello to some of the riders. Some of you guys know, we know some of the Junior Cup MotoAmerica riders, so as they grid up, we wanna make sure, I'm just gonna basically head right out and show you guys a little bit of the grid and what you guys see when you guys are out here at MotoAmerica. So we try to do these videos for you guys just to kind of bring you guys a little attention on what it looks like out here. I know it's loud and I apologize, but we've got some great racers out here, some great learners. And we're going to be out here for a couple races. We'll be out here for the Superbike race. We'll be out here for the Twin Cups and, of course, the Junior Cups. So very cool to kind of be out here and be able to share with you guys what the grid looks like.
Whether it be the Q3 Plus or the Q4, you need to go check it out.
Expect big things from her. Very good.
Quick warm-up, no tire warmers needed. It's Ducati style, sophistication, performance.
So everyone's getting warmed up. So they have about 2 minutes out here, the ability to get their bikes nice and warm. So we're going to head up to number 1. Try not to get in too much people's way. But Mr. Scott, we expect big things from Mr. Scott. Good luck, brother. Killing on the KTM this year. Of course, Orlando's racing. Mr. Landers himself, Rocco, supporting this team. And then back to our good buddy, Jack Roach, with Jack Roach Racing. And we'll get a word with Jack.
And we are setting the stage for the Sport Bike track here, Junior Cup.
So Jackie, can I borrow you for a quick minute?
Yeah.
Brother, if you guys haven't seen Jack Roach, it's been a little while, our little Q&A.
Yeah.
Jack, I've known Jack since you were, what, 12?
Unfortunately, yeah.
First year starting racing, Jack's been in the family, and dude, good luck out there. Westby Racing, dude, good luck, man. Ride safe. Jack Roach. So we're gonna get out of here, but good luck, brother, good luck. So that's a little bit of the mayhem that kind of goes down here at the grid. So a little just kind of behind the scenes. I don't want to overstay my welcome, so we're gonna get off the grid right now and give you guys the race start, and then we're gonna go join Jack Roach over at the Westby Racing, and then give you guys a little behind the scenes of the actual grid. But you guys can see all of the teams are lined up. So COVID still has got us a little bit limited on the track. I think they've got 2 crew members that they can have on track right now, and then the rest of the crew's out here. So very cool, huge turnout this year at Laguna Seca. Like, I'm just amazed on the fans that we've seen. I'm glad to be back, so thank you guys so much. Wagner's super excited. She's getting some still pictures. Pay attention to the Instagram. Hopefully we'll have you guys out on the gram. But so fun to be back here. Thank you again, MotoAmerica, for allowing us to be here. And I don't know, let's get the grid start, and let's see how Jack does out there. Hopefully he can move up a few positions, but I got a feeling Scott's just gonna dominate this. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in a second. All right, you guys, so the flag's been removed. The lights go on, and away they go. So that's your guys' start. Let me get this zoomed out real quick. That's your guys' start out on grid. And so we're gonna head over to the Westby Racing tent where they've got all the live timing and everything, but very cool. Again, a huge thank you to MotoAmerica for allowing us to be out here. They don't allow many people out here, but they've allowed you guys here at Cali Moto TV, so thank you guys so much for sticking around. Make sure you guys do stick around because we're going to be out here for the Superbike races, which is up next, and then we're going to do the Twin Cups for you guys. Give you guys, I know you guys are pro, you guys want to see the Twin Cups, so stay tuned because we will be out on grid for the Twin Cups. But let's see how this race turned out, and see little Jackie when he comes back in. All right, you guys, well, that's the end of the race, and Scott, of course, dominated that KTM. I'm not sure what they're feeding that KTM, but it has been crazy. And of course, Glotty was right there, so an amazing race. Our buddy Jack Roach kept it with that second bunch, man. I believe he ended at 6th place today, which great finish. That little R3 just can't keep up those 400s down the straight, just kept passing him. But Jackie, we love you as always. He's so we're right where we are. This is the little tech corral. The tech corral, they bring the bikes in right after race. They get inspected again just to make sure that everyone is being truthful. So they inspect all these bikes and then they release them back out. So tomorrow we'll have race number 2, so stand by. But next race is the Superbike race, which I'm super excited about. We get to go out and see Tony Elias with on the Kyle Wyman bike. Baz has just dominated this weekend, so super excited. So thank you guys for sticking around. Make sure you guys do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, ring the bell notification, give you future notifications of our basically our next grid walk. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next video. Bye guys.